ਲਾਈਫ ਚੋਰੀ ਦਿਲ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰੋ ਦਿਲ ਖੋਲ ਕੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ। ਜੀ ਹਾਂ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜੁੜੇ ਰਹੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਔਨ ਸਾਂਝਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਟੀਵੀ। ਦਿਲ ਖੋਲ ਕੇ ਬੋਲ। Hello everyone, this is your host Jyoti Sharma and you're watching live Dil Khol Ke Bol with me. I hope you are fine and doing well. अपना ध्यान रख रहे हैं और अपने सपनों का भी ध्यान रख रहे हैं। कहते हैं कि जब औरत मैरिड हो जाती है तो उसके लिए कोई प्लेटफॉर्म ही नहीं रहता, चाहे जितना मर्जी टैलेंट क्यों ना हो उसके अंदर। लेकिन हम आपको बताते हैं कि we have one biggest platform for all the women who they are married, who they have kids, they can do anything whatever they want. Yes, आज मैं बात करूंगी हमारे मिसेस यूनिवर्स कनाडा, जो एक पेजेंट है, बहुत बड़ा इंटरनेशनल नेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म है, जिस पर आप अगर मैरिड हैं, आप वमेन हैं, आपके बच्चे भी हैं, आप अपने आप को हाईलाइटेड कर सकती हैं, आप आगे जा सकती हैं इसमें। लेकिन ये कैसे जा सकते हैं, क्या करना पड़ता है, ये पेजेंट 2021 में कब हो रहा है, ये सारी बातें आज हम करेंगे हमारे खास मेहमानों के साथ। वी हैव रियली सुपर पर्सनैलिटी, वेल नोन पर्सनैलिटी ऑफ द कम्युनिटी, मिस्टर SP Wariwala, who is the national director of Mrs. Universe Canada. So and another guest we have, beautiful, charming Mrs. Universe Canada 2021, Mrs. Shannon Green, who is elected for the finalist 2021. So let's welcome them. Hello, Mr. SP and
Thank you,
Shannon.
Jyoti, for having us. Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Adab. Thank you, Sanja Punjab. And जी खोल के बोलो।
ओहो, वाह, आज हम सारा जी खोल के दिल खोल के बोलेंगे।
जी खुश कर दिया when I heard the name of your program. It's so humorous and really worthy to say कि जी खोल के बोलो। और आज हम इंशाल्लाह जी खोल के बोलेंगे।
बिल्कुल, आज हम आपको मौका देंगे दिल खोल के बोलने का। And how are you doing, Shannon?
I'm fantastic.
You're looking wonderful.
Thank you for having us. I know I will speak with an open heart today.
Yes, you can. And just say दिल खोल के बोल.
दिल खोल के
Bolo.
बोलो।
That's
See,
right.
that's the way,
Awesome,
that's the
awesome.
spirit of a team spirit.
Awesome.
You know?
So you have very, good vibes, positive vibes you have. And you have really good personality. Congratulations for elected in Universe
You're selected as a
2021.
finalist.
Yeah.
Out of 11
It's a
ladies.
big opportunity, right? It's a big achievement.
It's the biggest opportunity.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
To think she's representing Canada, which is our biggest and the greatest country in
Yes.
the world. Plus, she's going to participate with 85, 90 countries. So it's a global village.
I know.
She's going. That's why we are putting so much our trust in grooming her. That over there, she flows with a smoothly.
Yeah,
She knows what all to do, how to speak to media, what to say, how to meet and greet, how to be a team player, how to smile, how to impress people, how to impress media. So these are the basic training she's undergoing. She's an intelligent girl and we are brushing her.
Very nice. You're doing awesome job, SP.
Thank you.
I saw you at many places and we met many times.
We are long time friends.
Yes.
Jyoti ji. I would say I know you since over a decade.
Yes.
Huh?
And you are really active, I really
And you have
admire
always
that.
been kind to me. I cannot forget your kindness, and due to your kindness, I'm here with you.
Thank you so much.
Because
Thank you.
I never knew you that time when you used to come and take the interviews at our political events.
Yeah.
But you were always sweet.
Thank
You always
you.
used to say, Kaspi, would you like to say a few comments? What is happening and what you all are doing?
Yes.
On behalf of another channel.
हाँ जी, अक्सर ये अच्छा लगता है कि जब हम किसी नॉन पर्सनालिटी के साथ बात करते हैं तो बहुत कुछ हमें भी जानने का और सीखने का मौका मिलता है, राइट? सो माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर यू, SP, लाइक व्हाट इज मिसेस यूनिवर्स कैनेडा's प्लेटफॉर्म?
Mrs. Universe Canada is the sole franchise licensee of Mrs. Universe Limited,
Okay.
which is a world body. And this is a very costly platform. We have taken a franchise paying US dollars because, and it's very hard to get.
Okay.
I did last time Mrs. Universe in 2015. I had sent a lady, but I couldn't get Canada at that time.
Okay.
My lady represented Myanmar.
Oh.
But I was sure that one day I will be taking and bringing Mrs. Universe as my platform to Canada. And I did really worked hard and I got it.
Okay. Wow.
And here we are today.
And here we
Yeah,
are
here
today.
you are. Yeah.
And finally,
That's right.
We were supposed to have this event in 2020. I paid the fees in 2020.
Okay.
But who knew that the COVID is going to
Yeah,
take everything? The world will be in total disaster. And then it was cancelled. But Mrs. Universe did a pageant visually, which I refused them. I'm not going to participate as a Canadian. I believe doing in person.
Yeah.
I'm a practical man, and I won't be. I find that she's sitting opposite a screen, and I don't know how she's going to be judged, fairly
Yeah.
judged or not. So, would you be extending my license to 2021? And they agreed because I'd already paid the fees.
Yeah.
So we decided to go 2021. We started as soon as the things started
Okay.
opening. We did some events. We did some great events,
Okay.
which I would say 2, 3 briefly. I took all the 11 ladies to Niagara Falls from Mississauga in a limo,
Oh, wow.
in a real Queen's manner. We were going. There was a music. There was a opening of a champagne bottle while we were traveling to Niagara.
Yeah.
Then they were enjoying. We had ordered a very special chocolate dipped cherries, strawberries, and all that stuff. So they can feel, because abroad at international pageants, they use limousine. So this girl should be used to how to roam in a limo, how to roam with their colleagues, how to be a team player. And then over there we had a very nice photo shoot at the casino.
Okay.
Niagara Casino. We had a grand dinner. We had arranged a grand buffet dinner exclusively for our delegates over there.
Okay.
And we returned at 12 in the midnight. We had started at 5 from Mississauga.
Oh.
And that was a wonderful, wonderful event. Another short event I did was I invited them for lunch. All
Okay.
of them had a nice lunch at Spencer's, which is in Burlington, opposite our Lake, Ontario.
Yeah.
And after that, we had a shoot at Palace Vallata.
Okay.
It's a private event center with a very nice architectural building. So we
Okay.
had some shoot over there
Okay.
and in front of Lakeshore.
Okay.
So these were the great events we some did. And then again, the lockdown came of 8 to 9 months. So we were again held up. And during that time, Shannon was not in our group. Shannon is my product of COVID. COVID-19. I found her and I included her, and you won't believe, because she started on Zoom meetings with us.
Okay.
And from Zoom meeting, this lady made me impressed by her personality, by her way of presenting herself, by the way of her smile, and all
So
that
how
stuff.
you choose the girls, like, for final?
You know, Jyotiji, I'm also an international judge of pageant.
Yeah.
Recognized, I judge on behalf of Canada at various international platforms abroad. So I can, to a certain extent, I can judge a woman.
Okay.
Seeing her personalities, see how she sits, how she talks, how she moves.
Like, if anybody wants to join you, right, for this pageant,
We
what they
announce-
have to do, how
we
they can
announce
prepare.
our platform.
Okay.
We accept applications.
Okay.
Then I am not the only sole person to choose. We have a panel of 5 judges.
Okay.
Even during the induction, we have 5 judges. I see what the gradings they have got, and then we induct them as our delegates.
Okay. Okay. And is there any expenses involved for the
Expenses
other
are
people?
involved. Nothing is free. Even after COVID, the situation had got worse. We had sponsors. We used to have sponsors, but now financial support is very tight.
Okay, but who is participating in this pageant? Like, is there any expenses for her?
Yes,
For the
so we
participant?
find our own resources.
Okay.
She's also contributing.
Okay.
There's no shame. We are contributing for a platform.
Okay.
And it's everyday expenses is there on a platform like us. We
Okay.
keep on doing things. Nothing is free.
I know.
Whether it's a local pageant or an international pageant, there's
Always,
always
yeah.
a cost associated.
There's a
Always,
cost. Even
always
in
there
this,
is cost,
You know
yeah.
that the local our communities, immigrant communities, they
Yeah.
do. You're well aware of it.
Yeah.
You have participated in the pageants. You have judged the pageants. You have performed in the pageants. But those are on commercial basis. Whenever I have done an event, I have invited everybody free of cost. I have not invited any guest on a payment. Okay, please buy a table of $1,500 and then you can come and this will happen and that will happen. We don't do all this stuff. We don't do commercially. I do women empowerment for passion.
Yes.
You know, I have got a different career.
I know, and it's the biggest platform for the women empowerment, right? So, jab,
It's the highest. There is
Yeah.
nothing beyond Mrs. Universe. And this is the last she has put her foot down. Maybe during her young days, maiden days, she was unable to do
Yeah.
on various studies, circumstances,
Yeah.
marriage, family, whatever it is. But now she is in a position to do it.
Yeah.
So she has put her foot down. She has come forward, and that we salute her for her courage.
Yeah.
She's taking very, very well all the grooming we are doing for her,
yeah.
training and grooming, whatever you call it.
Okay.
And I'm very, very hopeful.
So, कब से grooming चल रही है इनकी? कितना
June.
time लगा?
From
से?
June se jab when we had a partial opening
Okay.
of our lockdowns and all, we started. Even we did a photo shoot in a private hotel room.
Okay.
Because the pictures were required urgently by the principals in Bulgaria.
Okay.
So we did that even.
Oh, wow. That's
You have
good.
to do. Where there is a will, there is a way.
That's right. That's right. So, Shannon, how was the experience like when you were like, getting grooming? Like,
She's still undergoing a grooming.
Oh,
you
really?
can say.
Well, from the time I was announced Mrs. Universe Canada till now, up and all the way to my time in Korea, there is a lot of preparation, grooming, as he says, that goes into it. From how to speak on a show, how to speak to public figures or officials, how to answer interview questions, how to walk and present myself. So
How
there's
to
a
meet
lot
the
of
dignitaries.
preparation.
She met so many dignitaries already.
oh, wow. That's good.
She met to one minister and one MPP already.
Okay.
So it's
And,
been quite an experience.
and
so
last
far.
night she met a caucus cabinet minister
Oh,
over
wow.
supper.
Wow.
And he was highly impressed. He said he sent me a message that your finalist is fantastic.
Wow. That's
and I
good.
feel proud.
You feel proud, yeah.
When I get such good feedbacks, we really feel proud that our efforts, our
Yeah.
sincere, because this platform needs work, daily work. Believe me,
I
needing
know.
all the work, 1 or 2 hours I daily work on the platform.
Every day
it's
we're
not,
doing something.
It's not easy
Yeah.
to make arrangements. How much communication we had with you and me, even in spite
Anju.
of knowing each other.
Yeah, yeah.
So it takes time.
Yeah.
And then I also have a family, so I have
And
to
she has a
arrange-
Your family,
She
yeah.
has a business.
I was going to ask you this question, what's your status of your life?
So I am happily married, and I have 2 children, a boy and a girl.
Oh, but you don't look like you have
She
two
doesn't
sons.
look like.
Yeah.
When I had selected,
You
I had
look so
never
young.
asked her any such personal questions. But then I saw her daughter in a Zoom meeting. Am I right?
So then you
Little
don't want to
toddler.
ask me how old my children
Oh,
are.
and
Oh.
then she gave me a bomb blast at one of a media event.
Okay.
I have a 16-year-old boy.
Wow.
I said, wow,
Fantastic.
You have kept. What is your secret of keeping so trim and slim and sweet?
That's right. That's right. Like
But
how
she
you
doesn't
manage
tell me the
yourself.
secret. Jyoti ji, what to tell?
So how
I
you
told him
manage?
I eat right.
I eat right.
Positivity.
That's one thing she said.
That's right.
Positivity.
That's
and eating
right. That's right.
And I have the support of my family, and then first of all, I have to thank Aspie and his team, because this opportunity wouldn't be possible at all without them putting on this show and having Mrs. Universe Canada as a platform. So I have to give my thanks and my gratitude.
No,
to
hats
them.
off. She's doing
Right?
her best. We want her to shine. She's our star. She's representing our country, and that I'm proud of. Okay, when
Right.
she's going to raise the flag of Canada, I'll be crying.
And we are proud to having you on our show,
Thank you. We're
Shannon
happy
and
to be
Mr.
here.
It's
Aspie.
emotional,
Yeah, and how you got motivated, Shannon,
to do the
to do the university? Yeah.
Well, I've done pageants in the past,
Okay.
so it's not totally new to
She's
me.
experienced.
But
in pageant.
once I got into Mrs. Universe, I thought it was an exciting opportunity, because there's
Yeah.
not many platforms out there for married women.
Yeah.
So to be able to be a part of the pageant platform still, it feels great as a married woman. And then Mrs. Universe, it's a large
And she
platform.
competed well. My ladies from 2020 were there. She saw them. She met them on the Zoom meetings. And all were surprised when they saw Shannon. And then when I put the 3 names in front of our panel of judges, and we had given them notes. The judges don't know them, but the notes were given by the jury. I'm a jury member too of my
Yeah.
platform, and my another colleague, Gada Madani, who is my colleague,
Okay.
who helps me. You will be meeting her soon too,
Okay.
because one of these days I'm going to bring her and you can take our interview, okay, how we do and what we do,
Okay.
and how we manage, you know. She's a partner in crime
Oh.
with me. But
Okay.
today you did not allow me to even accept a guest also who can come and sit.
But next time we'll do.
You know, okay, we are.
When
we
I
are
come
sure.
back from Korea, also,
Yes, yes.
and
we
hopefully
When you will come back from Korea,
yeah,
we'll do another show.
definitely she will come when she returns from Korea. We'll bring her to Sanja
Are you
Punjab,
excited?
I am.
and
very
we'll
excited.
bring her to Dil Khol Ke Bolo
Yes.
with Jyoti Sharma.
With Jyoti Sharma. So, are you excited for the Korea?
I am. It's going to be my first time as an international pageant going on platform. So it's a new experience and it's exciting. I'm going to be able to meet 85, 90 different women from
I know.
all around the world.
And the world media,
Awesome.
Jyoti ji, world
Oh my
media.
God.
That's why I tell her every step, every morning, when she even goes for breakfast at maybe 7 or
Yeah.
8 o'clock, she has to be well dressed, wear her sash,
Yeah.
her country sash with a flag, and wear a light makeup and go for breakfast. Don't go like this.
Yeah,
Don't go in your night
yeah.
pajamas and all that.
That's right.
There's some girls, ladies do. It
They
gives a
do,
very,
yeah.
very bad impression.
Yeah, yeah.
Because from off and on, I tell her, from the day she lands her foot in Korea, and the people who are the chauffeurs will come to pick her up. You never know. The judges are judging her.
You never know
That's
who's
right.
watching.
You
Who
never
is the
know
judging?
who
You
is
never
there.
know.
Who
Yeah.
is judging, or who is going to be briefing those judges how this woman acted when she arrived
That's
first?
right.
How was her impression? How she presented herself?
That's right.
Because there are media also taking photographs and all. When I remember when I used to land in London, there used to be media waiting for us for the Canadian delegation.
My God. मैं आपसे सुन रही हूँ तो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. I'm feeling so excited.
You know, and same thing in
I wish I
same
would be
thing
there.
in Jamaica. We used to be put into a VIP lounge at Montego Bay.
Oh.
The
Wow.
a Canadian delegation arriving. It was a big honor.
Yeah,
know?
it's a big honor.
And I had
And you are representing your country, right?
Canada.
So
yes.
Canada, you are representing, right?
And we
So-
will have a full itinerary from morning to night for the whole week while I'm there.
Oh.
And this week only a lovely hotel a picture has been seen. I envy myself because this year, due to my health issues, I cannot go with her. It's a beautiful, beautiful 5-star place.
Oh,
Okay, they are going to have a very good time. The time she will remember throughout her life. Because she did Mrs.
I
Universe.
know, that's right.
And this things. There are ups and downs. I always tell her, teacher, make her ready to face the challenges. Because, you know, that there are more than 1, 2 or 3 women.
Yeah.
They are catty even. The jealousy also takes place. But she has to keep herself away from such things.
Yes.
Be a team player with her roommates. And there will be small groups of 6 or 8 people with one person supervisor looking after them. Because there are 2 organizers, they cannot manage 90 women.
Yeah, yeah.
And they go out, come down, various programs.
Yeah.
Every day they will get the itinerary, what they are doing. They won't
Travel
have hardly,
back and forth.
yes,
Yeah.
they won't have time to
Yeah.
sleep even. You know, I
Yeah.
used to feel shortage of sleep during these international trips.
Oh.
And at night again, I used to call my delegation in my room, and we used to have a meeting.
So how you handle
Well,
the
that is
stress
God's-
level?
God's-
Like
this is not a
you know,
stress level. If you have a passion in
It's
your
his
heart,
passion.
you can do it.
because this is not an easy job as an organizer
Great.
or planner.
Believe me,
You go.
it's a great stress, but you don't take a stress, take it in a positive manner. Treat them like your own. Take care of them. And I'm very careful. You know, I'm very careful because
Yeah.
I don't want her to mix with lemon photographers, lemon media, lemon anywhere, or
Yeah.
lemon people. I don't want any headaches for her. I want her to meet nice, neat, clean people, train herself, remain focused, and achieve her goals.
Yeah, that's right. यही बात है कि अगर आपको एक right mentor मिले, right direction मिले, you can do wonders, right?
That makes a
I
great
think,
difference.
Yeah, it makes a great difference. Yeah. So आप पिछले 20 सालों से SP
नहीं, मैं 12 साल से I'm doing women empowerment. वो भी मैं by you can say by chance I came by default. I don't want to name the lady who challenged me.
Oh,
I think you know her.
yeah, I
You
know her.
So she used to do pageant from another country, but she's based in Canada. She challenged me, Kaspi, what you are going to do, women empowerment. You only know politics. You don't know anything else.
Yeah.
You have done in your life business. She taunted me. I said, leave alone. And
और अक्सर जब SP एक men वमेन के किसी प्लेटफॉर्म के साथ जुड़ता है कोई भी आदमी, तो बहुत सारे रिमार्क्स रॉन्ग भी कई बार फेस करने
They
पड़ते हैं,
face
कंट्रोवर्शियल
lots of
स्टेटमेंट्स.
things. So here I would definitely like to clarify,
Yeah.
especially our immigrant community में, they don't know a difference between a pageant
या
and a fashion
Fashion show.
or a fundraiser or God knows what.
और आपने देखा ही होगा कि कितने सारे ऐसे
और
इवेंट्स
आप
जो
भी देख
मिक्स अप
रहे
हो रहे
हैं,
हैं,
so सब mix
right?
up कर रहे हैं,
Yeah.
and their basic objective is to only make money.
and they are losing their quality, right? Quality of
Total,
program.
there is
yeah.
no quality.
Yeah.
There is no quality of judges. There is no quality of anything.
Yeah.
Even whosoever approaches them, any applicant, any lady.
Yeah.
I don't want to name the platforms. I have called those organizers.
They want only money.
Sir जी भिजवा दो.
Doesn't
हम ले
matter
लेवांगे.
कौन सामने खड़ा है.
This is a very simple पंजाबी language जिससे हम ले लेवांगे.
ले लेंगे. हाँ.
ਤੁਹਾਡਾ कॉल आ गया हम ले लेंगे.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਸ ਸਪਾਂਸਰ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ.
हाँ, ਤੁਸੀਂ स्पॉन्सर कर लो
ਤੁਸੀਂ
और
judge बन जाओ.
$1200 की टेबल ले लो.
and you will be the
This is
judge.
and और आपको हम ट्रॉफी भी दे देंगे.
आपको जज भी बना देंगे.
और जज भी बना देंगे.
और भले ही आपको
तो ये
knowledge है
सब-
कि नहीं है.
These things we don't, and they fix the results also.
I know.
Unfortunately, you know, they take money from the delegates also, from the families also, और fix कर देते हैं. This is not the thing.
This
A
is not
person
the
who
way to do.
deserves,
Yeah.
उसको आप आगे
और
करें,
पेजेंट
उसको
और
push
फैशन
करें.
शो में फर्क क्या
अच्छा,
है?
pageant और fashion show में the difference is, I'm again coming back to English because there are
Yeah.
English viewers also. Or
Yeah,
again, I'll
yeah.
speak in Hindi also.
Yeah.
In fashion show, people display a product, the outfits, the dresses, and they sell.
Okay.
And models, or they call it models. My ladies are never, I've never taken any model. They are not models.
Yeah.
They belong to respectable family. They are housewife, or
Yeah.
even they are miss or teen. They are educated,
Educated.
highly educated.
Yeah.
They belong to good background. So there is a great difference. Those models
That's
are
right.
different. If you ask them any questions, they can't answer you a simple question also of a grade 3. But my ladies are groomed not only how to walk, how to portray themselves well, how to sit, how to talk,
Yeah.
but they are intelligent also. International platform pageants, they have a question answer round too. So as the time is passing off, we will be going through those international questions, about 500-600 questions we go through, and it will be in our mind. And how to answer those questions, we will teach her. I hire a dance studio,
Okay.
a Latino dance studio, where my friend, she takes all the ramp training,
Okay.
and she gets the training how to walk, how to talk. And during that training, I sit as a judge, another lady or one or two people, and how she comes, she matches the eyes and all that stuff.
Oh,
The
okay.
delegate has to do. You have to keep your smile, but when you come and face the judges,
Hanji.
you use your time perfectly on the stage. Consume your time and show to the judge your talent. कि you are a lady with a built-in material.
Yeah.
You are
and
intelligent. You are not only to look at.
That's
You have
right.
got brains, beauty with brains, what we
Beauty
say.
with brain. Yeah, that's right. So here we go. Like we have beauty with brain. Right?
she's my
Shannon
intelligent-
Green.
Otherwise, I would not have picked her up or even pushed her for the finalist.
Yeah.
There were so many, and some of them, you also know them who are with me. They are from Brampton too.
Yeah.
And they all fizzled out because they did not have talent. They did not have motivation. They just came to have a show, picture, fun, dinners. That's all.
That's right. So this question for Shannon. Shannon, could you tell me about your hectic professional life and your career goals for next 5 years?
So,
That's a very good question. It's an international question. You can be asked even at the international platform, the next 5 years, where do you foresee where you will go?
Yeah.
well, so I'm not.
I like the
just-
question.
I'm just not beauty. I am an entrepreneur. I do own a small business. I'm a mortgage broker, so I own my own brokerage for
Okay.
financing, and we do private lending as well.
Wow.
I have a team of 6 underneath me. So my plans for over the next 5 years is to help elevate and grow my team's business.
Very good.
And also,
So I'm coming in your team.
okay. I'd be happy to have you.
She's an intelligent businesswoman. Let me tell you what I've seen. She has got acumen of a business. She has got a good hold of the business, and she's balancing well. She's balancing in 3 directions currently. She's balancing our Mrs. Universal platform, which
Yeah.
is new to her, but she has taken very well. She's taking to see just now also, we are both giving our precious time. It's a working day. Then she's managing the business well. She
Yeah.
works very hard late in the evening and family life.
Family
Yeah.
life, yeah.
So at the end of the 5 years, my mentality is to be retired. And when I say retired,
I won't
not
allow
to-
you to retire.
No, just listen, Ashley. Not to say that I'm fully retired, but it's just a mentality to know that my business has a set
Well
foundation,
established, well established.
foundation is built, my team is doing
Yeah.
well, and I have nothing to worry about. So the business is completely working for me.
That's
And
good.
even after
I
5
have more
years,
time for my family and to groom the next Mrs.
and you have to
Universe
also
Canada
take care
next
of your
year.
mentor also
Wow.
Yes.
for next 5 years.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
not a problem. That is also part of me grooming your next Mrs. Universe Canada. So I'm
Definitely,
still taking
because
care
she
of
will
you.
be playing a different role when we do next year. She'll be playing much more important role, even grooming and many things, training and judging.
Yeah.
And I'll be giving her a chances for judging also soon. Maybe this year only. If she is not going on the stage, I'll make her a judge for one of the forthcoming pageant, which is a white pageant in Hamilton. So
Okay.
I've got both option open. I can make her a judge, or she can even get warm up from the stage.
Okay.
Yeah,
Wow.
even when I'm back from Korea, I'm not leaving them. He can't get rid of me. So.
I can't leave her. She's like my own now. We are addicted to her. That's what I tell her.
Wow.
So now we have been inducted to be for life. You have to bear this man for life.
Awesome, awesome. हमारी दुआएं, हमारी wishes SP आपके साथ हैं.
Thank you,
और
Ji. You
our
have always
wishes are
been
with
kind.
you.
You have
Thank
always
you.
been
You're
my
right.
well-wisher. You have
Thank you so
always
much.
been a wonderful, wonderful example to our women in GTA, especially
so much.
Brampton and in our community.
Thank you
I'm
so
proud
much.
of you. I always have shown respect. I always care, and I've shown my love to you
Thank you so much.
and your family
Thank
as
you.
well.
Thank
And I
you.
know your family, your sisters, and everybody. So I'm not an outsider to you.
I know. Yes, we are not outsiders and for each other, right? And
And we are always there for each other.
yes.
आप आवाज दे दो और SP will be there besides you.
आवाज दो.
जी. Huh? So that
एक
is the
song भी है
main
ना
thing.
इसमें? Yeah.
Huh? You just give me a call and I'll be besides you.
So it was really nice meeting you, Shannon and Mr.
Likewise.
SP, and we are proud to having you in our show. And I'm hoping we'll see you soon again for our show. And good luck to you and SP to you as well.
We are thankful to Sanja Punjab,
Thank you.
Ji Khol Ke Bolo, our charming anchor Jyoti Sharma,
Thank
Yes.
you so
the
much.
crew of Sanja Punjab,
Thank you.
and to the owner also, who is known to me. I respect him. He's a
Yes.
colleague.
Thank you.
Political colleague, so I felt really happy and feel at home when I saw his poster. I felt, oh my God, this is Bob Dosanjh's establishment.
family.
I never knew. I
Yeah.
said, "Okay, this is my conservative family.
Yes.
And I
that's right.
immediately asked him. He said, Saji, he owns this place. So
I
see,
know,
world is
you
small.
know, you feel the comfort zone,
You
right?
feel
When
a
you knew
comfort
the
zone
person,
and I feel more
right?
happy and I became light,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah.
I was not tense. When I came, I was tense.
Yeah.
Who must be the organizers? Who are the owners? I
Yeah,
never knew. And I
yeah.
did not ask, I was digging
Now
about
this
you.
is your studio. You can come
Thank you.
anytime.
I know.
And we'll do wonders.
I know you are there and we will inshallah
Yeah.
turn the stone
Yeah.
for your listeners, for your TV, and we'll give them a very good shows.
Yeah, और मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोगों से बात करके.
Same over here.
And really feel honored, and I really feel good to meet Shannon as well. She's really good person, and she has really good personality and
She has
good
a lovely
vibes,
personality.
right? So I really want to have you again in my show.
Definitely,
Shannon.
she'll be coming
So
definitely.
we'll celebrate your victory.
yeah.
Victory.
Right?
when
We'll
I'm
open
back.
a champagne bottle
Yes.
to celebrate.
Yes, yay! We'll have big party, big bang.
Thank you.
So Shannon, would you like to say a few words to our viewers?
Concluding remarks.
I would like to thank you for having us here today, and to all of the viewers, thank you for watching us and having me be a part of the show today. Thank you to the Mrs. Universe Canada platform, ASPE, the whole team, and I'm looking forward to being back on the show to let you guys know my victories.
Why not? Definitely. We are very hopeful that she will come with some winning concern, but whatever. We want
You
her
know,
back safe
crown
and
or no
sound.
crown, I will be back.
And
Yes,
she will be
to
doing
tell
lots
you.
of
With
projects.
positive mind
Yes.
and
And she will be doing lots of projects and are going to take in the field of for women, children, seniors, and all that. We
Okay.
are underlining all those things. And in future, everything is fine. Our economy is back to normal, coming
Yes,
back to
yes.
normal,
Will be.
and
Yes.
she is going to rock.
Yes, she will rock. So we are with you, Shannon.
Thank you.
Always we are there for you. Like whenever you need help, we are there to help you.
And I always tell her, "Dil khol ke bolo.
Yes, दिल खोल के बोलो जो है
Don't
दिल
keep
में.
anything in your heart. Always
I
have
spoke
a
with an open
clear,
heart
open
today.
heart, or always remember, "Dil khol ke bolo" with Jyoti
इससे
Sharma.
पहले कि आप दुनिया में ना रहो, दिल खोल के बोल दो सब कुछ.
बोल दो,
right?
दिल में कुछ ना रखो.
कुछ ना रखो, नहीं तो दिल की बीमारी लग जाएगी. Right? So SP would react.
Yeah, I would like first and foremost thank the Sanja Punjab, my anchor
Thank
Jyoti
you.
Sharma,
Thank you.
my finalist who has accompanied me taking a time from a business, the crew of Sanja Punjab, Bob Dosanjhi. He's always been our good colleague. He's a very, very good politician, and I
Hanji.
wish him all the best in his forthcoming nomination as well.
Hanji.
And we will definitely support him also, because Malton is a very, very hard riding and a difficult riding.
Just right.
But
yeah.
with his name and his hard work and his community work, I'm very hopeful for Bob.
Yes.
He will be our
Our wishes
legislator.
with him, yeah.
Once he becomes our legislator, we'll be proud of him.
Yes.
He's the right man to serve Canada and represent Brampton.
That's right.
And I tell my ladies, to everybody, that always have passion. Whatever you do with your heart, clear heart,
Yes.
and don't do anything which you are not happy.
That's right.
Do the things which you like, and always look forward.
And what
never
makes you happy, right?
What makes you happy, and never look backward.
That's right.
When you're happy, that's when you shine.
Look at the sky.
And avoid negativity.
Yeah.
Yes.
And look
Negative
at
people,
always
yes.
look at the sky and keep your feet on the ground. That is
Yes.
my advice
That's
to
the
your
main
viewers
point.
and to everybody. If they follow this principle, nobody can shake them or disturb them.
Yeah. If you will be grounded, that God will help you for
Yes.
sure.
Definitely.
So if you have
And be
positive mind.
God-fearing. I'm a God-fearing person. I'm openly saying.
Yes.
And I believe that one day I have to go and reply to God also.
That's right. He's recording everything, whatever we are
Whatever
doing
our
here.
actions are, whatever we
Yeah.
are doing.
He has
So
all
don't
the
think-
records.
We have the final accounts will take place when we go.
That's
After
right.
our journey is over.
That's right.
हाँ?
इसलिए हम कहते हैं दिल खोल के बोलो. अगर किसी से नाराजगी भी है तो उनको जाहिर कर दें. अगर किसी की कोई चीज़ अच्छी है तो ज़रूर बोलें, लेकिन कभी भी नेगेटिव ना बोलें जो
मगर
किसी के
सबके
दिल को
साथ हम
दुखाए.
दिल खोल के बोल भी नहीं सकते like
That's
you.
right.
That's the problem. क्या
कई बारी प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है ना,
ये
चाहता दिल खोल के
प्रोग्राम का
बोलो.
नाम जो आपने मुरतब किया हुआ है, that's a wonderful name. It
Thank
suits
you.
your personality.
Thank
Yes.
you.
और इंशाल्लाह हम फ्यूचर में भी दिल खोल के बोलेंगे.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. और हम चाहेंगे कि आप बार बार आएं और हम लोग
Definitely. We'll be
will do
coming.
wonders, right?
Definitely,
And,
definitely. And
we'll
you'll be
do-
also be a part of our team. We'll invite you.
Thank you
We'll
so much.
promote you, and God willing, we'll have some more lovely guests at your show.
Sure, we will. Yeah,
So
we'll
it
do
will be
them.
an honor for us.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Thank you.
again
Thank you,
for
Jyoti.
coming to the studio, and good luck.
Thank
good
you.
wishes for
Thank
you
you,
guys.
viewers of Sanja Punjab. Keep watching and always support our anchor Jyoti Sharma.
And follow us on social media. Follow Shannon, follow SP, follow me on all the social media handles. You can get our upcoming events, and you can get more updates about us, for me, for Shannon, and for SP.
Thank you.
So thank
God
you
bless
again.
Canada.
थैंक यू. यस, गॉड ब्लेस कनाडा. तो इसी के साथ मैं लेती हूँ इजाज़त आप लोगों से. आई होप कि आज का जो प्रोग्राम है आप लोगों ने बहुत पसंद किया, और अगर आप भी मिसेस यूनिवर्स कनाडा का हिस्सा बनना चाहते हैं, कभी भी इसको ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, या इसके बारे में कोई ख़ास इन्फॉर्मेशन आप लेना चाहते हैं, यू कैन कॉल SP वारीवाला एनी टाइम. अगेन थैंक यू सो मच, एंड कीप वॉचिंग सांझा पंजाब TV. फॉलो अस ऑन YouTube and Facebook. Do like our page and download our app SP24, क्योंकि अगर ऐप डाउनलोड करेंगे तो आप कभी भी कहीं भी हमें वॉच कर सकते हैं. एंड फॉलो मी ऑन ऑल द सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स. इफ़ यू वांट टू जॉइन अस फॉर योर इंटरव्यू और एज अ स्पॉन्सर, कॉन्टैक्ट मी एनी टाइम. माई नंबर इज़ 647-898-7769, और यू कैन कॉल बॉब दोसांझ 416-419-7777. हम लोग इसी तरह से आपके लिए अच्छी जानकारी का ज़खीरा लेकर आते रहेंगे, अच्छे मेहमानों से आपको मिलवाते रहेंगे. बस आप अपना साथ हमारे साथ बनाए रखें, अपनी दुआओं में हमें शामिल रखें, और
Very good.
हमारी दुआओं में आप हमेशा शामिल रहेंगे. थैंक यू. टेक केयर. शब खैर. बाय. ਲਾਈਵ ਚੋਰੀ ਦਿਲ ਦੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰੋ ਦਿਲ ਖੋਲ ਕੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ। ਜੀ ਹਾਂ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜੁੜੇ ਰਹੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਔਨ ਸਾਂਝਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਟੀਵੀ, ਦਿਲ ਖੋਲ ਕੇ ਬੋਲ।